Yung pangatlo naman na lucky yes, no? Although 50-50 na siya, no? Kaya ranking tayo no. So the third is Leo, which is dalawa ang influences sa Leo. Number one, on the first half of the year, meron challenges sa kanila, no, wherein they need to be very sure of themselves, no? Parang may emotional issues na kailangan harapin, ano? Okay. Pero after that, second half of the year, there can be a new beginning for them, no? So sila naman yung magkakaroon ng mas madaming suporta, they'll become more prominent, no? Sisikat, no? Depende sa linya mo. Or in general, no, it can be translated into recognition and growth, no? So Leo is the third luckiest of the 12 signs, no? Okay, so punta na lang tayo sa first sign of the zodiac, no, which is Aries. Yung Aries naman, the planet Saturn will be in Aries starting on the first quarter at around 2 years yan. So basically, pag Saturn is there in that sign, ano, may mga haharapin, no, na blockages.
Ito
no?
na
They
yung
have to
challenge
work on...
signs.
Yes, this is the most challenge, of the signs, no. So Aries, no. So madami blockages, madaming pwedeng kaaway or kalaban, no. But basically, if they can let's say face all of this, no, have some form of boundary, let's say in terms of money, let's say if they can budget and they follow the rules, it will still be a good year, no.
Ooh.
Okay?
Ay, wait.
Okay, sige.
So yung iba po,
The next...
kalmado lang. Sino po yung next after Aries?
Okay, sige. The next after Aries is Aquarius. Okay, number one, dahil may eclipse, no, in Aquarius on February, no. So normally nga pag may eclipse, may madaming lumalabas na hindi ini-expect, madaming challenges, no, may kaaway, no, either sa workplace or sa bahay, magkakaroon ng mga emotional outbursts, no. So this is on the first half of the year, no. Around middle of the year naman, may papuntang Pluto, Uranus, no, will be in harmonious aspect, no, with Pluto and Aquarius, which can make them more intelligent, no. So parang mas makaka-adapt sila sa mga nangyayari and basically para may upgrade, no, sa buhay nila on the second around the na yan, siguro starting around May, no, hanggang for the rest of the year.